we sail a little bit high.
Hey guys, it's me Dhanali. So in today's video, we are going to do an unboxing video again. So we have a Club Factory ka package here. So it's a Club Factory haul. So I'll tell you when did I place the order. So I placed the order on 16th and I received it like today itself. Of course, I'm an impatient brat, so I have opened it. So we are going to see what all I have ordered and how is the product, and we are just going to review it. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the packaging. It's really cute. It's in blue color and I really like it because there are teddy bears around and it's really cute packaging. So it takes around 12 to 13 days to arrive your package here, which is quite a long time. But it's an international site, so you can expect that from them. So yeah. So now moving on, the first thing that we have is a travel shoe carry case, that sort of thing. I did order this because I always carry my shoes whenever I'm traveling, and that's why I need something like this to keep my shoes on. So I did order this in red wine color, I guess it was. Yeah. Okay, and this is the bag. So it has a single compartment. It has a single compartment and there's a space right here where you can also keep one of your pair. So you can usually keep 2 pairs of shoes in here. So this is the first piece that I ordered. And the quality is really good. It is exactly as it was shown in the picture. So I'm really happy with this purchase. So the price here shows 293.67 and the original price I will be listing somewhere on the screen or in the description down, so make sure you check the description as well. So this is the first thing. Next we have is this. Such a huge carry bag for such a little thing, but I am happy because I got a Ziploc bag. So yeah, and this is an earphone carry case. You can just keep your earphone in it and then you can keep the leftover piece in this section. So yeah, this is it. And I got it in orange color. The price of it says, where's the price? Okay, I think the price is covered. So I'll be displaying it somewhere on the screen. So yeah. So this was the second purchase. Moving on, third purchase we have is a jewelry and it came in this bag and there's a bubble paper wrap inside it, which is really cool. So this is the jewelry case and the price of this is 202. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So this is the piece of jewelry that I have. A moonshine, and then we have this small chain which has a coin sort of detailing. So I love daily jewelry and I don't have anything like this, and that was in golden color, so I really wanted something like this, so I got this. So that is the third purchase we have. Last thing in this haul we have is a beret. You'll be like, why did I got a beret? Because I really wanted to try a beret and I couldn't find it anywhere else, so I ordered it from Club Factory and the quality is really good. The price here says 306, but I'm damn sure I got it for 200 something, so I'll list them in the description. So yeah, this is the red beret and that's it. These were the 4 things that these are the 4 things that I ordered from Club Factory. So yeah, so if you want me to keep you guys updating about the review, then you have to follow me on Instagram, where I'll be listing the things that how are the things going on, is the color fading or how is the material and that sort of thing. I'll keep you guys updating about this thing on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me there. And do let me know in the comments if you want me to do more such hauls. I'll definitely do it. Yes, I will soon be doing a Shein haul as well. So stay tuned for that. So until next time, bye. Do, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to it, like the video, comment down below whatever your thoughts are on this video. And yeah, suggestions, recommendations about the sites you want me to review it, I'll definitely do it. And yeah, bye.